Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher water level float lever. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to use the flat blade screwdriver and the Torx 15 driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water level float lever. The water level float lever goes in between the float and the switch. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dishwasher is overfilling. In order to change the part, first thing we have to do is open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to use the Torx 15 driver to remove the 3 screws on each side of the door panel. Once you have the screws out, we can close the door. Then it'll drop down out of the control panel. You can pull it out, then lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove these retainers that hold the access panel on. Just have to turn them 90 degrees, pull them out. Once you have them out, you want to be careful because the insulation is glued to this. So we're just going to pull it out, kind of press it down. Now that we have access, you can see there's a couple locking tabs right here that we have to release. So we're just going to basically pull a little bit so there's pressure on it so it doesn't snap shut. Then we're just going to use our fingertip, press these over to get it to release. Once you have them both released, you can let them drop down. We have access to the lever right here. It's just mounted on this pin, so if it's still in place, all you have to do is pull it out. Once you have it off the pin, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old water level float lever next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new lever in, all you have to do is line it up and push it onto the pin. Once you have it in place, you want to move it around and make sure that the float is on this end and it's hitting the switch on this end. Once you have it in place, we can snap the cover back together. Just make sure the locking tabs go in and lock. Now we can put the access panel on. Just going to lift it up into place and make sure the insulation goes up in there. And push it in so you can see the holes are lined up on the frame. Then we can push the retainers in. And use the flathead screwdriver to turn them 90 degrees and lock them in. Once you have those in, we can put the front panel back on. To put the front panel back on, you want to make sure that when you're setting it down, that this tab here goes behind the hinge on each side. To put it on, all you have to do is line it up and drop it down onto the hinges. Once you have it in place, we're going to lift the door up, and then you want to make sure these tabs line up with the console. And you can lift the door up and carefully hold it while you're opening the door. Once you have the door open, you can use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws in, you close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.